Hi, my name's Jimmy Clewes and I'd like to introduce you to my new tool. It's called the Mate tool. The Mate tool. It's available in two sizes. It has a 6mm cutter or an 8mm cutter. The cutters are actually made from a nano-crystalline carbide which is sharpened with diamonds. It's not a scraper, it's a cutter. Now, the other advantage of this tool is the cutter is only set so much from the bar. So unlike a scraper, this tool will not self-feed. It cuts, and when the cutter stops cutting and the bar hits the wood, it will not self-feed. This is how the tool comes. If you want to put it on a handle, we have this option. It's a set screw. So what you do with this is you buy this unit and you custom make your own handle, like this one. This simply epoxies into the end. Before you do that, you turn your handle, make it whatever shape to fit you, custom make it to you, and then you will end up with a nice handle and a set screw. When you put it on, there's the set screws, there's the cutter. Turn it that way and tighten the screws underneath. The reason for that is because when you use the tool, if you have the screws on the top, they will fill with shavings. Put them underneath and then it won't fill with shavings. So, I would like to show you how this tool works using the tool. The cutter is already set in the right position, okay? It's set at 22 degrees, very precise. I made a lot of adjustments to make sure it is in exactly the right position. So, the bar must be horizontal, not like this, not like that. Keep the bar horizontal. As I said, the cutter is in the right position. And also, make sure the tool isn't tipped up like this or like that. Keep it nice and flat on the bar. Then all we have to do, the best way to use this tool is to push into the wood. Use it just like a gouge. Push it in. If you pull it out, it cuts too well, too efficiently. You have more control pushing the tool in. And it will cut like a knife through hot butter. Okay, so the cutter, you can move the cutter 4 times before you need to replace it. But remember, this is a carbide cutter. It will last you a very long time. So again, 4 times. Remember to try, from a safety point of view, for any tool, the more the tool overhangs, the more leverage you have. That's why I've moved the tool rest closer in to reduce the leverage, so I have more control. The deeper I go, I move the tool rest closer in. I would like to tell you, the other thing that this tool will do very easily is undercut. Okay, and again, it cuts the wood. There are very few tools that will get under there, cutting the wood without scraping it. This piece, I turned this earlier to show you with this tool. This is long grain. I'm going to set up in a minute and I'm going to show you how this tool will cut end grain beautifully. Okay, so now I'd like to show you how it will cut end grain. Exactly the same thing. So supposing you are hollowing out a box, again, end grain can be difficult with conventional tools. This tool makes it so much easier. Very, very nice tool. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jimmy Clewes. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and I would love to see you here at Dictum in one of my classes. Thank you.